You can't have Spotlight on Branson without Silver Dollar City, and I'm so delighted to be here with Joel Smart. He is the food supervisor at Silver Dollar City. Hi, Joel.
Hey, happy to be here.
We'll get to this here in a minute, but let's talk about the park in general first. You guys have a lot going on. Most people know about it, but for those who don't, tell us a little bit about what Silver Dollar City is all about.
Silver Dollar City is an incredible theme park for all ages, 2 to 92. We are internationally awarded. We have 8 different world-class festivals that change throughout the year, so your visit's always going to be different, and 40 different rides and attractions throughout the entire park.
Yeah, and I can attest as a season ticket holder, I mean, you want to come multiple times throughout the year because it's like visiting a different park every time.
Of course, yes.
Well, now let's get to your specialty. I know you've laid out a tremendous spread for us. The food here is just incredible and truly something for everyone. Let's start with the cinnamon rolls because that's one of your specialties here.
Of course, right through when you walk through the turnstiles, you're going to see Even Delilah's Bakery, where we have gigantic cinnamon rolls that you can get as your first stop here in the park. And the bakers here are also tirelessly making these kaleidoscope, rainbow-colored breads with 6 different colors inlaid.
They look beautiful, just fantastic. The waffle cones, that's really intriguing to me, so tell me about those.
Yeah, the waffle cones were a concept that we came up with in 2019. It is a fortune cookie batter that we turn into a waffle cone, and we stuff it with all different types of good stuff depending on the season. Right now, we've got chicken and mac and cheese and all of that good stuff.
Awesome. You have no idea how hard it has been for me to smell this for the last couple minutes. This barbecue looks and smells amazing, so tell me about that.
We just built our brand new Rivertown Smokehouse in 2020. We've got 2 huge smokers smoking 1,200 pounds of meat a day for 12 to 18 hours. We've got chicken, ribs, brisket, pulled pork, and just tons of incredible sides to go through.
Oh, fantastic. Can't wait to dig in. And there's a whole lot more here at the park that we obviously don't have room to show. So any other thing you want to talk about?
Absolutely. You gotta hit the cinnamon bread at the bottom of the park whenever you get to Silver Dollar City. Clarabelle's does an incredible job of just making an incredible snack for you. And also our skillets throughout the park are the mainstay of Silver Dollar City.
Oh, fantastic. Well, Joel, hey, thank you so much for sharing this with us. And whether it's the food, the rides, the attractions, whatever brings you to Silver Dollar City, make sure you check it out.
Shop the area's largest selection